Welcome back to the Mushroom Network. In this episode of the Mushroom Minute, we are spotlighting the bitter oyster mushroom, or scientifically known as Panellus Stipticus. Alright, let's get into it. While its name suggests edibility, this mushroom is known for its bitter taste, making it non-palatable. But don't let that discourage you from learning more about this incredible fungi. For example, it's one of the few bioluminescent mushrooms ever discovered. In the right conditions, its gills emit a soft green glow, earning the name luminescent Panellus. Imagine having this fungi along your camping trail, helping illuminate the pathway. This fungi thrives in colder climates, especially on decaying hardwood logs, brightening up winter landscapes. The bitter oyster mushroom is an awesome specimen to add to your backyard, campground, and so on. Seek the fascinating tales of fungi at the Mushroom Network's marketplace. From the rare to the renowned, we've got it all. And if you are looking to learn more about fungi, why not register for a free or paid online course at the Mushroom Academy?
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.